What's up guys, SoSoDev here, and today I want to answer the question about what are the major roles in tech and which one you might be interested in. So at the top, we'll start with project managers. So project managers, they don't actually produce anything, but their role is really valuable because they pretty much help organize the product design and development teams. So without the project management team, everything would just be chaotic. So then we have the design team. So that's UI, UX designers, and they pretty much make the design of the application. Pretty much the way everything is going to be organized on the app and the way it's going to look. And without the UI, UX designers, you just have a whole bunch of functional but ugly products because developers don't typically care about how something looks. They just want to make sure it works. And then you also have the product team. The product team is their job to make sure the client is getting what they want as far as features. If you are building an app for a supermarket, then it's the product team's job to make sure if they want to have a reward system, that's included. If they want to check out, add things to cart, stuff like that. And finally, you have the development team. The developers build all the stuff that the product team has discussed and confirmed with the client. They build it according to the designs that the UI UX team has drawn up. And of course, we're being organized by that project management team.